In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the green screen issue on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is try a force restart. This is by far the most common fix, and you should definitely try this one first. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until your screen goes black and that Apple logo does appear. Keep holding until that logo does show, and then release that side button. But this force restart reloads the system software and can remove the green tint glitch instantly. If this doesn't work the first time, try it again. But if it doesn't work after that second time, what you're going to want to do is actually try and navigate to the settings option and scroll down until you see the display and brightness option. It's going to be hard to see, but you're going to have to try your best here. From here, go ahead and find the option to select true tone, turn this off, and then turn night shift off as well. Sometimes these filters make that green tint even worse. If you've recently installed or cracked a screen protector, go ahead and remove it. A damaged screen protector can interfere with the display sensors and cause tint glitches. And on top of that, what I would recommend doing is going up to the General tab and going into your Software Update tab. And if you have an update available, go ahead and install it because sometimes Apple does patch these display bugs. If nothing has worked for you so far, go ahead and back out and go back to the General tab right here. Open this up and scroll all the way down the bottom until you see this transfer or reset iPhone section right here, and then select reset and then choose reset all settings. This is not going to delete your data. It's only going to reset those system settings, but if none of the above fixes it, your display might actually be damaged, and at this point it's likely hardware and Apple will need to diagnose it or replace that screen. But that is how you can fix the green screen display issue on iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And before you do leave this video, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.